Hi everyone. You're probably wondering what you'll learn in this course. Well, of course you'll learn how to get started, the steps to being a travel writer, the importance of reading and writing, some career options, and which writers to read and learn from. You'll also learn which writing assignments to accept, what makes great travel writing, the mistakes that travel writers make, editing, pitching, how to improve your writing, how to use quotes, and about media and press trips. You'll also learn about researching articles, finding your niche, when to use humor, what personality you need to be successful, how to fight procrastination, dealing with criticism, how to be creative, and being sensitive to other cultures. And in the course, there are many assignments and quizzes to help you solidify what you've learned. We're going to touch on photography, how to contact editors and which editors to contact, and there are many helpful resources. So I hope you're going to enjoy the course. Thank you for taking it.